Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for a store on the Tezenis application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the search icon down below, which is the third option. Then tap on the search bar at the top to this location icon, and then you should either type in your postcode or your city. And here you can find the relevant results, so the stores that are available in your city. So just simply tap on the relevant one and then you will be able to check it out on the map. You can see the address here, the phone number, the opening hours are also available and the nearby stores as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.